Hi guys, okay, today I just wanted to make a short video explaining some things about braking systems. So these parts are of a bike with ABS, but it's basically it's relevant to all braking systems. So people say they service their bikes or they do it themselves or whatever, but they don't service the braking systems. Okay, so here you can see on this slave cylinder piston, the water droplets. Okay, so condensation. So the brake fluid is hydroscopic, so it will form water condensation. Okay, then if you look at the inside of this master cylinder, look at that. So all this stuff gets into your brake lines, and if you've got an ABS bike, it gets into your ABS valve body, and that's why people have problems with their ABS valve bodies where they get stuck or they don't open or they're stuck open or they're stuck closed. It's because of this kind of thing, lack of maintenance. So it's a good idea at least once a year to get all the old fluid out of your braking system, including your clutch system. This is obviously a clutch. Get it all out and replace it with fresh fluid so that you have minimum problems and don't have breakdowns. Thanks.
Okay, so today is an update day for the Chevrolet chopper paint job. Okay, so there's been a bit of a delay. There was a lot of work on the gas tank, and I had to send the gas tank back to the customer, all the way back to the customers for it to test fit it, to make sure all the mounting points were right. That has come back now, that was right. So now I'm about to go and wash my hands and paint epoxy primer, 2 coats of epoxy primer on all the panels. Okay, so I'm going to take the phone from Nashie. I'll just give you a quick overview of what I've done with the tank and the fender, and then that's it. Thanks. All right. Okay, so here's the tank, obviously. It's my little stainless steel, little stainless steel standoffs I make on all the mounting points so that when we see that, so when we attach the tank, the fasteners don't push away the paint. Okay, sorry, my camera skills are terrible. I will improve. Okay, and then if you can remember what the bottom of the tank looked like. Okay, there are 2 panels there, little 2 patch panels that were cut out and re-welded in, and this one in the corner here. And then the bracing was just cleaned up a bit, and over there, where the overflow used to be, which was not used, I just put in a little threaded bung for bracket to hold the throttle cable on this particular bike. All right, and then on the fender, I think I've showed this before. It's just a little piece I made to hold the wiring in place instead of silicone. And then the wire goes through there, and that's the mounting bolt for the rear taillight. Okay, so the rear taillight, I just made a standoff and brace that onto the fender, and then matched the taillight to that, all filed in, so it all fits really nicely. Okay, so those are all the panels. So I'm going to hand the phone back to Nashie now. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to paint them epoxy now, and then we'll probably update you. The next update will be once we painted the base color and clear coated it. Again, thanks to everyone for watching, and thanks for everyone for sharing. Have a great day.